Today on the agenda, we're going to be replacing an antenna on the GMC Sierra. You have seen this video featured, or this vehicle featured as driving on some of the dashcam videos. So we're going to try to eliminate that line on the edge of the screen problem by replacing the antenna with a shorter one that I have here. This is the current antenna, and as you see, very unsightly, not as attractive. I do have a shorter one here that I'm going to put on. So first things first, got the wrench, and we'll be taking it off down here at the bottom. And I have it off. That is the post right here. Kind of difficult to point to. That's the post that the bottom of the antenna mounts to, and you just use a adjustable wrench like I did and pull it off. If you want to prevent from getting scratches on there, you can put some tape on the bottom here, and that'll prevent the paint from chipping off. Or you can do like I did and just take a wrench to it, and if the scratches on there are an issue, you can spray paint the bottom of this again with black spray paint to match the rest of the antenna. Now to put the new one on. For context, this is the antenna that I ordered. I'm assuming this is a model number here, the X003 and so forth, and that's the name that they put on here. And this is what it looks like. Very short, subtle, and it comes with some additional, I guess, studs here that if this piece here were to come out or something, you could use one of these to make it fit or whatnot. So I'm going to see if I can just stick it in there, which I may have to remove or adjust the cowl to get it on because this hole is not centered over that opening. So let me see if I can get this on here. Now it does come with this connecting piece here. So you screw this metal piece into the base of the antenna, because I thought you could directly connect it, but that is not the case. So you screw that into there, and then this goes over that, and this spins down like that. And as you see, it is right above the cowl here for the windshield. And I'm going to continue to tighten it a little bit more. And yeah, that's basically it. And so that's the new antenna, short and very subtle compared to the old one. And I do have these extra parts here that I'm assuming that if that other stud were to come out or something of that nature, that this adapts in some shape, form, or fashion. And then I also see there are some washers in this pack here. Let me get that on camera. So there's some washers in this pack here, and then there's also this stud here. I'm assuming that like if the other piece were to come out, you could then make adjustments or however it needs to be, but you have those extra pieces here in the pack. But that is it for the antenna swap out. Now after putting the antenna on, I did come in and check the radio stations to see if the radio stations that I listen to reception sound well or not, and based on what I can tell right now, everything seems to work fairly well. Now, of course, I will have to go further check to make sure that everything, like radio stations as well, when I'm driving, actually gives the same quality as it does with the old antenna. But that being said, though, the swap was fairly easy. In total, probably took less than 5 minutes. I know with this video recording, it's a little bit longer process because you have to stop and record. But yeah, it was fairly straightforward. Now, you're probably going to ask, well, what does it look like from the driver's perspective? Let me show you. Literally, that's it right there. It's not that tall. You barely can notice it there. You can see it, but barely notice it. That being said, this will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I will be doing more car-related videos here on the Dashcam channel, more so because the vehicles that I use are also the vehicles that I'm repairing and maintaining, so that I can bring you the Dashcam quality content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop those down below. I'll be glad to answer them, and also any suggestions for any future videos, like Dashcam-related videos, I'll be glad to take those as well. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.